beef ones, please.
Is that a remote control?
It is, yeah. It's a boosted board.
So obviously you can do both with it?
Yeah. So you can go forwards, backwards, you can do everything you'd ever need with it. Yeah, 22 miles an hour. Pretty good.
It goes 22 miles.
22 miles an hour. Yeah. Dude, you are a legend. Thank you so very much. So I've made a lot of regrettable decisions in my life. Spending too much on something, buying too much food. This is something I've done for the second time. I was just so happy I got my tamales. I put my boosted board in my trunk, shut the door, or shut the trunk. My keys were still in my trunk. So I just called AAA. They'll get here in 1 minute, approximately. They said that. And hopefully they'll be able to get it open. How's it going?
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
A little bit sheepish, huh?
Yeah.
My name is Paul. Hello.
Hi.
So, getting into the trunk, is that floor activated?
Yeah.
Oh, good. No, there's no problem there. Unlock button on the key. Cycle it in the door.
There we go. Well, that was an ordeal. I'm going rock climbing with Noah right now, so I got sweatpants, grab my climbing bag, and then we are going to go. Fast gets you places faster. That's math and science combined. But people don't like doing that because apparently it increases the risk like 5 times of death. I don't really care because I like going fast.
Do from there.
That dino is so fun. Jump. Does this count? No, go back to the start. Noah.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did it.
No, you didn't.
Oh, dude, that is way up there.
Noah, just jump. You have so much jumping power. You'll be fine. Yeah, dude, you had it.
I know. I forgot to jump.
Oh! Oh! Use two hands.
You said one hand.
I can do one hand. That doesn't mean you can. You can do it one-handed.
Hydrate or dihydrate.
Now to do the homework that made no sense. Now to do the homework that I've been procrastinating for the past 3 days. Also, side note, I found this little rubber dude on the floor. It's technically for a thermal flask, and I have a hydro flask. But basically, if I run over to my car, it doesn't let it slide. It just kind of sticks in place, which is cool. Because I'm that person that would totally take over my water bottle. Which is why it has so many wonderful dents. There's one down there. What are you wearing?